My name is Manikanta. I have completed my graduation in 2022 in BTech with a stream of ECE. So I got placed in First American Indian Company Private Limited. So it was a great experience that I have joined here in QSpiders. So the way they provided the content delivery and the way they supported is so good. And if you want to get placed in any company, come. This is a great platform. This is a great platform to explore your knowledge and also to gain more knowledge to become a software developer or a manual. If you want to go for manual testing or also for software developer, it's a great platform. Thank you.